name is Vernon Mosley. I am the owner of Precision Plasma Cuts here in Crockett, Texas. We are the manufacturer of gates, signs, and metal art for this area. We currently have the Maverick 5x10 table. The Maverick machine has been a little better machine. It's easier to use. The software has been better. The technical support has been really outstanding. Lane Stabile has been the tech that we have referred all our questions to here lately, and he's been really easy to work with, really easy to get on the phone, and he's really helped us out a bunch on that. It came with a scribe tool, which was one of the features that we wanted on the old machine that we couldn't get. This machine, one of the best features to us has been the shading feature. This machine, it actually shades all the parts that will actually fall out of a cutout, which is really handy in our line of work because we have so many cutouts, so many pieces falling out of the material. The old machine, all the lines were the same color, which was red, and it was kind of hard to read. It's made our drawings a lot easier. The software runs a lot faster, a lot smoother. The old software, we had trouble with it crashing on us. You get middle ways to a drawing or something, and if you don't save, you look up and it's shut down on you, start all over. So I've had that happen several times on the old machine, the old software, but with the new software, we hadn't had that issue. So the computer's a little better. It's got more memory, so it runs faster. It has a repair tool on it, which was one of the problems with the old software. A lot of the small lines and lines you couldn't see in the drawings, the machine tried to cut those lines, so therefore you had a lot of small cuts on your parts and things like that. So the repair tool, you scan your drawing, you hit the repair tool, and it will actually highlight any discrepancies or anything that's not supposed to be on that drawing. It's easy fix. You hit repair, it actually repairs all the cuts for you, so it actually takes a lot of the guesswork and a lot of the work out of the small cuts. One other feature that this machine has that the other machine didn't have was the bridging tool. In our business, we make a lot of signs, we do a lot of letters, a lot of overhead, so we use the bridge tool quite a bit, and we had to manually bridge all of our old letters, and with this machine, it actually has a bridge tool to where you just highlight your bridge, click bridge, okay, and it bridges the drawing for you. So that takes a ton of work out of your drawings. It makes it a lot easier and it makes it a lot better. So that has been a really plus. Our overall experience with Maverick has been excellent. We've had really good customer service. The machine has performed really well. We haven't had any issues that we couldn't get somebody on the phone to fix. So I'd rate it a 10 out of 10 so far. I think going forward, it's just going to get better. We're learning the machine every day. There's things about it that we find as we go, and it has just tons of features that the other machine didn't have. So overall, I think the machine itself has been really good. The company has been a really good company. They've stood behind everything that they've said they would do, and so I think that overall I'd have to say that it's been a really good experience so far.